Guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing chow mein today. Chow mein is a very delicious noodles staple, but a lot of houses do eat it. So it means that you have a lot of vegetables, combined with vegetables and some protein, and it's really delicious. A very nice meal. So what I am using today, I'm using some carrots, some bean sprouts. We have some bell peppers, have some prawns, and this is some ginger and garlic cubes, and I have some meat, which I'm going to tell you what to do with it. And I have the chow mein sachet that I buy in Aldi. It's very good. It makes it taste really nice. And this is the noodles that I normally buy. I buy it in Asda. It's already cooked one. What I'm going to do, I'm using 4 of these actually. So what I'm going to do with it is put it in hot water just to loosen up. And I have some spices here that I'm going to do. So what I'm going to start with, I already put salt on the meat. Okay, so I'm going to add some spices. So this is some garlic. We have this my spice mix. I've already said it before that this is thyme, rosemary, and some mixed spice with clove and stuff in it that I've milked them together. So I add a bit of this as well, and I have some onion granules. Okay. Some black pepper and some white pepper, and what else? I need to add a little bit of ginger. I'll add it to it, and that's really it. So I'll add, just mix them together, make sure they are thoroughly mixed together. And the next bit is to add a bit of corn flour. What the corn flour does, this is a corn flour, okay, you can get it in the supermarket. What it does is it makes the meat very juicy and tender. So you add a bit of corn flour and then you mix them together. So guys, I forgot to mention this. I have spring onions and some white onions that I've already cut them. And the oil that I'm using Rapseed oil. I use Rapseed oil a lot because it's very healthy. I don't use olive oil because I know olive oil, when heat is added to it, it turns into a different thing. So the best oil to use is Rapseed oil or coconut oil, any oil that can absorb heat. And then I have some sesame oil as well, which I'm going to add at the end. So let's get started. So I'm not using a wok today because I'm doing a lot of the noodles, so, and the wok that I have is a bit small. So this is the oil that I have, just about little oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to be really hot. When it's hot, very hot, then you could see that it's very hot actually. So I put my meat into it. So try and loosen up the meat with amount of oil. Right guys, this has been on for about 10 minutes. Normally what you have to do is to buy frying beef. If you have frying beef, then it means that your beef will be tender quicker. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put in my prawns. Okay, so these are my prawns. The prawns are already cooked, so I'm not going to spend so much time cooking that. So what I'm going to do is add the cubes. So ginger and garlic cubes. And then I'll cook this for about let's say about 5 minutes. Guys, this is cooked now, so I'm adding the onions. Okay, now we add most of the thing quite quickly, but most of the time I don't want the I don't want them to be really cooked, the vegetables, so I add them really quickly. The next thing I'm adding will be my bean sprouts. Normally I add this together, bean sprouts and the carrots. Okay. This makes it quite crunchy and nice. Both the bean sprouts and the carrots. Okay, so I am going to add, I normally add them as quickly as possible for them to cook together. So that is the spring onions. And here you just add the vegetables and make sure that you're quite cooked. Right, let's let it be on for about 2 minutes, but keep on stirring. Right guys, this is the last vegetable I'm putting in because I don't want it to rather be soft, so I put it in really right at the last vegetable. And the next thing I'm putting it in is that chow mein sauce. Okay, put that chow mein sauce in. It makes it really delicious, tell you. So try and then stir it up. Smells really good. Please try this. It smells really good. So what I'm going to do now is to add the noodles. Okay, I've not added the noodles because this is a lot of vegetable. So this is the noodles. I've already put hot water in it, so it's quite loose. Okay, so keep on putting the noodles in, and then when you put it bit by bit, and then you stir it up. Okay, okay, so keep on putting them in and stirring it up until everything is ready, and then we can put some soy sauce and sesame oil in it. Right guys, I need to put the soy sauce in. So this is the soy sauce I normally use. Buy it in Asda. It has no preservatives and it's quite dark. I like the dark soy sauce, so I put a bit on it, and I like a nice color, so just put a bit on it and then try and stir it. I also like a bit more, so it depends on how much soy sauce you need. Okay, I like a bit of color, so I add just a little bit more to make it look nice. Right, so as you can see, it looks really pretty and really smells delicious. I want to add, that's the last thing I need to add, is the sesame oil. This is by choice. You can decide not to, but it just makes it smell good. Just about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Right? Wow, smells so good. Your chow mein is ready now. It's now ready to serve. Quite hot with nice vegetables. It's very healthy. It doesn't take long to do. Okay, so that's my chow mein done. Right guys, as you can see, this is our lovely chow mein. It tastes really good. And you can add anything, any vegetable that you like actually, and this is what I like, and I've added it, and it's really tasting, it tastes really good. So yeah, that's it. So please try it, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you put on your post notifications so that when I put on a new video, you will be notified of that. Thanks for watching.